Hello and Happy New Year to the entire Snowline learning community. It's Ryan Holman and it is great to be reconnecting with all of you in a 3-in-3 video. It seems like so much has been happening since the last time we were together in this format, so let's start sharing the information you need to know. Update number 1, free rapid COVID-19 test kits for students. Our rapid COVID-19 test kits for all Snowline students have finally arrived. Each student in grades K through 12 may receive 2 rapid tests. Distribution of the free test kits is taking place at all of our schools, with drive-through and walk-up processes being used for safety reasons. Now keep in mind that parents and guardians must go to their children's schools to retrieve the rapid tests and be prepared to show your identification when you arrive. Look for communications from our schools as well as postings on our website and other social media platforms for details on days and times of distribution. While these test kits are optional, they are extra safety measures that can and should be used at home to determine if our students have been infected with COVID-19 or if they're eligible to exit isolation or quarantine. Contact your child's school for further details. Update number 2, daily at-home health checks. Conducting at-home health checks each morning is always an effective practice to follow. Given the current COVID-19 surge, it is more important than ever for students and staff members to complete daily self-checks. Before sending students to school, parents and guardians should talk to their children, ask them how they feel, and take their temperatures. Staff members should complete health checks too. Now, the 5 most common symptoms of the Omicron variant are runny nose, headache, fatigue, sneezing, and sore throat. But coughing, fever, back pain, and loss of taste or smell are other symptoms that can signal a COVID-19 infection. If students or staff members are sick, please stay home and get well. Update number 3, vaccination guidelines. To be considered fully vaccinated, the California Department of Public Health now recognizes those who have received COVID-19 booster shots, as well as individuals who have been vaccinated but are not booster eligible. This measure of safety can prevent the need to quarantine per state guidelines when exposure occurs to someone with COVID-19. Know that we are currently working with county officials to bring a vaccination event to Pinyon Mesa Middle School for our community members. Once we confirm the days and times, notification will go to everyone. There you have it, the 3 most important updates everybody needs to know. If there's a 4th, it's a thank you. I greatly appreciate the patience, empathy, and support being extended to us during these extremely challenging times. Just like everywhere else, full staffing is really difficult right now. Thank you for being kind, understanding, and always willing to help. I am convinced we will get through this together. Not only will we survive, we will thrive. Until next video, please take care of yourself, take care of others, and remember that a Snowline United is best for everyone.